Oh my gosh, mission accomplished. I left the house never know that I would accomplish getting exactly what I wanted, and honey child.
Hi guys, happy Tuesday. I hope everybody enjoyed the last days, and when you're gonna watch this, I think it's gonna be almost the weekend for you. So I hope everybody okay. Here started getting very hot and I'm getting ready to go to work, so I'm gonna leave you with babe for today. I'll see you tonight, okay? Have a nice day and enjoy this vlog.
What's wrong? Huh? What's wrong? What happened? Hello? Tyler? What is it? You guys, his passy is in the thing and he can't take it out, so he's getting so pissed. Come for it. Come for your passy. There it is. He insisted on putting on his hat that cannot fit his head anymore this morning. Huh? You insist on putting on your hat that can't fit? What do you want? Your porridge is cooling. It's cooling. Come. As soon as it cool, you'll get it. Okay? Real Jamaican boy. Right? Right, baby? You'll get your porridge as soon as it cool. Okay? Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday, right? Your porridge is hot. I cannot give the porridge to you hot. He wants his porridge. He's such a Jamaican baby. I know no other French baby get porridge. Get porridge. Oh my God. At this time of the morning, every morning I break him into getting porridge. So you would have his bottle as he wake up. So you have a bottle at 8 when he wakes up, and then 9:30, 10 o'clock he start asking for his porridge. He starts say porridge and pointing to the kitchen. But I just finished making his porridge, so it's hot, so I have it in the fridge cooling right now, so he can't get it until it's cool. And he love oats porridge, and he have a big bowl of it. His bowl full of porridge he eats every single morning. You guys, how are you doing? Enough of my rambling about my baby boy. I decided to relax him this morning. I didn't get to sleep because, you know, Tyler is up, and every time I'm on the bed, he come and he call me like he's doing, oh yes baby, and he jumps on me and he wants to play and all that. So this morning when I woke up, I was so tired. I honestly didn't feel like I can find the strength to run. So I said, instead of go working out, who is in there? That's you? That's you in the mirror? I said, instead of finding the strength to work out and then having to do work on the computer, and my brain is just going to shut down when I'm tired. So I said, alright, I am just going to stay in bed a bit and then get up and do some work and then work out later in the day at some point, instead of having my brain shut down and can't do anything after workout. So I didn't work out this morning because I just decided to chill. But yeah, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Baby's off to work. I I don't know if he vlogged, but if he vlogged, you guys will see him. And if not, you guys will see him later. Look at this kid though. Look at this silly boy. Get up. Tyler. Look at him. Get. What are you doing? You're a cow? You're a goat? Look, I'm going to take away that pacifier from you. Come. Come. Okay. I stopped the playing. Get out. You see how bad he is, you see? You see, you. Tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm going to get a nap. On the road, you know, it's that time of year where your girl have to start shopping for her man, because my boys are August boys, and I don't like to wait last minute before I get Tyler and Babe present. And Babe birthday is on the 12th of August and Tyler birthday is on the 16th of August, so I rather give shopping for them from early. So I already start gift shopping for Tyler, so I only have one more thing in mind that I want to get for him, and then I haven't got anything for Babe as yet. I have in mind what I want to get for him, but I haven't gotten it just yet. So I'm hoping that today is the day that I can find something for my king. So yeah, I am at the bus stop. I'm at the bus stop waiting on the bus. Should be here in about 5-10 minutes. And then Tyler and I should be well on our way. Let me show you guys my little outfit of today. Nothing too much, too fancy. So this is the top that I'm wearing. I got this top at Primark. You guys know that I shop at Primark recently. So this top I got from Primark, and I pair it with a high waist jeans, and I'm wearing my new favorite shoes, which is these white sneakers that I also got at Primark. I hate tying my shoes lace, you guys. I don't tie my shoes lace, I hate it. So yeah, on our way back from shopping, it should be time enough to get Babe. So Babe should be on his way back with us. He don't even know that I leave the house yet. I haven't even told him that I'm going to town. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get to town. Glimpse of town in the height of summer, how busy it is. So much people, it's just crazy the amount of people that is in the streets right now. But I'm going shopping in the middle of these two buildings, and there will be so much people, and I need to focus on going through the crowd and carrying the stroller, so I won't get to vlog for you guys going through this crowd. It's just me and I'm not with Babe, so it's gonna be really hard So let's go. I finally got what I want for Tyler from this store in here, and I have the bag right here. I can't wait for you guys to see what I got him. So I'm gonna give you guys a hint. So I got him something from this section. It's for you guys to figure out which one it is. But I guess you guys won't know until his birthday. I'm so excited. All right, now that that was successful, I need to go. Oh my gosh, mission accomplished. I left the house never know that I would accomplish getting exactly what I wanted, and honey child, I got exactly what I wanted, and I'm super excited about both of the gifts that I got. Now I think the only thing I need to do is go and get them some clothes, and I think I need to get him a hat, so I'm going to do that. So you guys, shopping was an absolute success. Got what I want for the boys, but then something strange happened when I was coming out of H&M. I don't know if because I have this huge bag of goodies, but the security stopped me while everybody else go through, and like he wanted to see in my bag. Like really, are you serious? Why search me and don't search everybody else? I hate when that happens. It's always me who are picked out of the crowd. Do I look strange? Do I look different from everybody else? I don't know, but it was kind of strange that he just wanted to search my bag and not search everybody else's bag. And he was like, have a good afternoon. I really didn't answer him because I think he was kind of crazy, but he's just doing his job. I guess it is what it is, and I just have to deal with it. All right, I'm going to go meet up with Babe, and then we're going to head home. Hi fams, we are home. Guys, you see my hair? So you guys know workout didn't work out today. That didn't happen, but I accomplished in shopping, so that is good. That is really good. I got my man's birthday gift. I got Tyler's birthday gift, so the both of them birthday gift is now off of my list, and now I'm broke, but that's okay. It's all worth it. Come on, up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bye. Bye. Say bye. Look. Give them kisses. Give them kisses. Tell them it's bedtime. Say night night. Say night night. Say night night. Bye bye. Yeah, bye bye. Say night night. No. I am naked. He wants to have his moment. So since Tyler's have his moment, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican expression for today, and that will be mix up and blender. If somebody says you are a mix up and blender, simply mean you like to gossip. Babe,
mix up and blender.
Right. A mix up and blender is somebody who likes to gossip.
To gossip? What
Yes.
is gossip?
To sus.
To sus? What is
Yes.
sus?
Sus also mean mix up and blender. When,
Yeah.
for example, if me and one of my friends sit down and talk about somebody and the person don't know that we're talking bad about them, that's gossiping.
Okay. So the French expression for today will be a PG-10 expression. It's gonna be avoir le cul bordé de nouilles. Alright, baby, you want to say it? Avoir le cul
Avoir le cul
bordé de nouilles.
bordé de nuit.
Right. So do you know what it means?
No.
Okay. Avoir, le cul. Avoir is to have.
Yeah.
Le cul is the ass. Is a bad way to say the ass. So it would be more like the ass with ZZ at the end.
Okay.
Border is the edge. And nouille is noodles. So it's like to have noodles on the edge of the ass.
What does that mean?
It means that when you're just so damn lucky, when everything's going the way you want, you bet and you have one chance over 50 to win, and you win, and it's your lucky day, and we're gonna say you have noodles on the side of your ass. Car le cul bordé de nouilles.
Oh, so it's to be lucky.
Right, to be very lucky.
Alright, cool. This boy is not giving us a chance. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy, and I'm sure you guys did. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up, and turn on your notification bell. Catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys, my child is killing me. Tell us, say bye bye. Bye bye. Billion kisses. Give mama a kiss. Alright, since no kiss for me, I'm gonna put it to bed.